It is no accident that each of you are here today and that each of you were invited to be here because you represent someone important in the individual and collective lives of Schyler and Jimmy. I truly can't think of a better day for an occasion that I know is not only monumental for the wedded couple to be, but also for us who are lucky to know and love them as individuals.
So are all of his brushes?
Yeah. It just feels so surreal.
It's happening right now.
We've been together for 10 years, so it's like...
Look at her.
The most remarkable moment in life is when you meet the person who makes you feel complete, the person who makes the world a beautiful and magical place, the person with whom you share a bond so special that it transcends normal relationships and becomes something so pure and so wonderful that you can't imagine spending another day of your life without them.
When one of your best friends starts dating a new girl, you always think of them as trying to act too cool, trying to act too smart, trying to act too tough. But from the get-go, Jimmy was always himself around Schyler, and I appreciated that she never stole my best friend from me. Jimmy was always himself, and Schyler always pushed him and still pushed him to grow out of his comfort zone. Schyler was as sweet as can be, was everybody's best friend that she met, and was always as kind-hearted as could be. Schyler always jokes that me and her compete for Jimmy as his boyfriend. But I guess today is the day to officially give up my ownership of Jim's boyfriend.
While I know she looked up to me as her older sister, I have always envied her outgoing nature, her charming demeanor, and her ability to manufacture a spark with no one's permission. She's unapologetically herself, and people are just naturally drawn to her. By the time Schyler was in high school, it was evident she was the golden child. But for those of you who know my family's history, you know that's not a difficult title for her to earn. She was always bubbly, a dedicated student, knew how to roll with the punches, and to top it all off, she had grown into a beautiful young woman.
Can you be any cuter?
You look beautiful. I love you. Wow. It looks awesome. And now, Jim, do you take Schyler to be your wife? Do you promise to love, honor, cherish, and protect her, forsaking all others, and holding unto her forevermore?
I do.
And Schyler, do you take Jimmy to be your husband? Do you promise to love, honor, cherish, and protect him, forsaking all others, and holding only unto him forevermore?
I do.
as a sign of my love,
as a sign of my love,
that I have chosen you
that I have chosen you
above all else.
above all else.
With this ring,
With this ring,
I thee wed.
I thee wed.
And Schyler, please place the ring on Jim's left hand and repeat after me. As a sign of my love,
As a sign of my love,
that I have chosen you
that I have chosen you
above all else.
above all else.
With this ring,
With this ring,
I thee wed.
I thee wed.
By the power vested in me, I now for the first time pronounce you husband and wife. Jimmy, you may kiss your bride.
Some people quote Shakespeare, the Bible, historical figures. I saw something pretty cool on Facebook. And it said the following: happiness is not the absence of problems, it's the ability to deal with them. And that's a wonderful life lesson. To Sky and Jim, here's to a long life together full of much laughter and continuous love. I love you more.